What hemisphere is India lie in? Northern hemisphere. What is India's northernmost latitude? 37 degrees 6 minutes north. What is India's southernmost latitude? 8 degrees 4 minutes north. Between which longitudes does India lie? 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. Which line divides India into two almost equal parts? Tropic of Cancer. Name the island group in the Bay of Bengal. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Name the island group in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep Islands. What happened to Indira Point in 2004? It submerged during the tsunami. What is the total area of India? 3.28 million square kilometers. What percentage of the world's area does India cover? 2.4%. What rank does India hold in terms of size among countries? 7th largest. What is India's standard meridian longitude? 82 degree 30 minute east. How many hours is the time lag across India? 2 hours. Which mountains bound India in the north? Himalayas. Name the sea west of India. Arabian Sea. Name the sea east of India. Bay of Bengal. What canal shortened India's distance to Europe? Suez Canal. Name one ancient Indian text spread through land routes. Upanishads. Which numerical system did India contribute? Decimal system. Which country borders India to the northwest? Pakistan. Which country borders India to the north? China. Which country borders India to the north? Nepal. Which country borders India to the north? Bhutan. Which country borders India to the east? Bangladesh. Which country borders India to the east? Myanmar. Which island country lies south of India? Sri Lanka. Which island country lies south of India? Maldives. How many states does India have? 28 states. How many union territories does India have? 8 union territories. Which peninsula extends into the Indian Ocean? Deccan Peninsula. Which island group is farther south? Lakshadweep or Andaman? Andaman and Nicobar Islands. India's standard time is based on which city? Mirzapur. Which strait separates India and Sri Lanka? Park Strait. Which ocean is named after India? Indian Ocean. What is the approximate length of India's coastline? 7,516.6 kilometers. What is the approximate length of India's land boundary? 15,200 kilometers. Why is there a standard time in India? Because of the 2-hour time difference east to west. Which continent is India part of? Asia. What direction does India taper? Southward. Which ancient trade route helped India connect with other countries? Land routes through mountain passes. Which architectural style influenced India from West Asia? Domes and minarets. Name a product exported from ancient India. Spices. Name a famous Indian story that spread worldwide. Panchatantra. What is the longitude difference between India's easternmost and westernmost points? 30 degree. What natural feature marks India's northern boundary? Yongfold Mountains. Name the sea east of the Indian Peninsula. Bay of Bengal. Name the sea west of Indian Peninsula. Arabian Sea. How did the opening of the Suez Canal benefit India? Reduced travel distance to Europe. How is Indian Standard Time calculated? Based on 82 degree 30 minute east longitude. Which island groups belong to India? Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep.